How do you define a race if you had to describe why you think you are a member of one race and someone else was a member of different one? You would probably focus on appearance, your skin, your hair, maybe even the structure of your bodies and faces. It's me Sadak, welcome you all with a very big heart on regional learning channel. In today's lesson, I would like to teach you the most important concept in sociology as well as anthropology, that is race and ethnicity. Let's get started. Firstly, let's move to what is race. Race. Race is the idea that the human species is divided into distinct groups on the basis of inherited physical and behavioral differences. In simply, we can say it is a categorized people primarily by their physical differences. Note the point, physical differences, which means race is on the basis of the physical differences of human beings. The term race generally refers to a group of people who have in common some visible physical traits such as skin color, hair texture, facial features, and eye formation. History of the term race. The idea of race began evolve in the late 17th century after the beginning of European exploration and colonialization as a folk ideology about human differences associated with the different populations. In the 19th century, after the abolition of slavery, the ideology fully emerged as a new mechanism of social divisions and stratification. Race and ethnicity. The term race refers to a group of people who have differences and similarities in biological traits. Underline the word biological traits. Deemed by society to be socially significant, meaning that people treat other people differently because of them. For example, while differences and similarities in eye color have not been treated as socially significant, differences and similarities in skin color have. Next, ethnicity. What is ethnicity? Ethnicity refers to shared cultural practices. See, shared cultural practices. In race, we can just imagine it is related with a biological trait, but in ethnicity, it is referred to shared cultural practices or perspectives and distinctions that set apart one group of people from another. That is, ethnicity is a shared cultural heritage. Note the point, ethnicity is a shared cultural heritage. The most of common characteristics distinguish various ethnic groups are ancestry, as a sense of history, language, religion, and form of dress. Classifications of race. In generally, we can classify race into three major groups. First one Caucasoid, next Negroid, third Mangroid. In Caucasoid, they are simply we can call they are white people. The Caucasoid have place reddish white to olive brown skin color. Second, Negroid. The Negroid, with their black skin, produce Jews, both nose and curly hair, including the melanisms, and who have a lighter skin and slightly different nose from their Negroes group. Then, Mangroid. The Mangroid or yellow race have lighter skin, prominent cheeks bones, and olive-shaped eyes, and straight black hair. Physical characteristics of major racial group. Firstly, we can see skin color. What are the differences in skin color in these three types of racial groups? The Caucasoid have pale reddish white to olive brown skin color. Among the Mangroids, their skin color regards between saffron to yellow brown, while some individuals have reddish brown skin color. The Negroes have brown to brown black or yellow brown skin color. In structure, the Caucasoid have medium to tall structure, while the Mangroids are medium to tall to medium. Short and Negroids, tall to very short. Head form, which means the formation of head. Among the Caucasoid, head is generally long to broad and short to medium. high to very high. Among the mangroves, head is predominantly broad and medium high, while it is predominantly long and low to medium high among negroids. Next, facial features. It is narrow to medium to broad and tend to be high no prognatism among the caucasoids. Among the mangrove, it is medium broad to very broad and medium high. The face is medium to broad narrow and tends towards medium high and strong prognatism among negroids. In hair, which means in hair color or length like that. Among the caucasoid, hair color is lightly brown to dark brown. Texture is fine medium and from a straight to white. The body hair among the caucasoid is moderate to profuse. Among the mangroves, the color of hair brown to brown black. Structure is close from is right and bodily hair spare. Among the negroids, the hair color is brown black. Texture is coarse from his wholly to freshly and body hair spares. Next, eye. The features of eye. The color of eyes among the caucasoid is light blue to dark brown, while the lateral eye or fold is coccocinal. Among the mangroves, the eye color is brown to dark brown, and the medial epithetical fold is very common. Among the negroids, eye color is brown to brown black, and vertical eye fold is common. In nose, among the caucasoid, the nasal bridge is usually high and the form of narrow to medium broad. The nasal bridge among the mangroves is usually low to medium and the form. Medium broad among the negroids, the nasal bridge is usually low in the form and medium broad is very broad. Next, body shape. Among the caucasoids, it is linear to lateral and slider to regards. Among the mangroves, it is tend to be traveled with some lateral among the negroids, and the body shape is lateral and muscular. The blood group among the caucasoid, frequently A is more than B, while the mangroves have more B than A, and the negroids have both A and B. Next, racial types in India. According to Herbert Risley, India has 7 racial types. First one, pre-Dravidian types. They are surviving among the primitive tribes of the hills of jungles such as Bills. Second type, the Dravidian type, living in the southern peninsula up to the Gangetic Valley. Third, the Indo-Aryan type of Kashmir, Punjab and Rajputana. Fourth one, the Aryo-Dravidian type. It is in Gangetic Valley. Fifth one, the Sito-Dravidian type. They are running in east of Indus. Then sixth one, the mangrove type found in Assam and the foothill of the East Himalayas. And the seventh one, the Mangrove-Dravidian type. This type is also known as Bengali type. See you again. Thanks for watching.